Light is the fastest thing in the universe. 186,000 miles per second. Nothing goes faster. Nothing. It could circle the entire Earth 7 times in 1 second. So here is a question. If light is that fast, how long does it take to reach the nearest star? Not minutes, not hours, years. And that is just the nearest one. By the end of this video, you are going to understand just how small we really are. Now let's go back to the beginning. Quick thing before we start. If you are not subscribed yet, hit that button now and tap the bell so you do not miss what is coming next. If this sounds interesting already, go ahead and like the video too. It really helps. Okay, let's get into it.
We cannot measure space the way we measure things on Earth. Miles do not work. Kilometers do not work. The numbers get too big to even write down. So scientists use something called a light year. That is simply how far light travels in 1 full year. And once you start using that as your ruler, the universe gets very big, very fast. Before we dive in, there's something you should know. This video is only a big picture overview. In the next videos, we'll explore every major planet, star, galaxy, and other incredible objects in space one by one, with much more detail. So think of this as the first step of an amazing journey through the universe. Let's start with what is familiar: the moon. Light from the moon takes about 1.3 seconds to reach your eyes. So when you look at the moon, you are seeing it as it looked over a second ago. Not a big deal. The sun is next. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to get here. So if the sun somehow disappeared right now, we would not know for 8 full minutes. We would just keep seeing it shining in the sky. Mars is further. Depending on where Mars is in its orbit, light can take anywhere from 3 to 22 minutes to reach us. Now, here is something wild. If you sent a text message to an astronaut on Mars, the fastest possible reply would take somewhere between 6 and 44 minutes round trip. No instant texting, no quick back and forth conversation, just long, slow waiting. And that is still our own solar system. We haven't even left the neighborhood yet. Now let's actually leave the solar system. The closest star to us, other than our own sun, is called Proxima Centauri. How far is it? 4.2 light years. That means light leaving that star right now takes over 4 years just to reach Earth. Let that sink in for a second. The light hitting your eyes from that star tonight left 4 years ago. 4 years of your life have already happened since that light started traveling. Now here is where it gets even more insane. Voyager 1 is the fastest object humans have ever built. It has been flying through space since 1977. It is moving at about 38,000 miles per hour. At that speed, how long would it take Voyager 1 to reach Proxima Centauri? About 73,000 years. Not 73 years, 73,000 years. If we launched our fastest spacecraft today toward the closest star in the entire universe, it would arrive sometime around the year 75,000. Civilizations would rise and fall on Earth many times over before it got there. And that is the closest star that exists. Now let's zoom out further. We live in a galaxy called the Milky Way. It has somewhere between 100 and 400 billion stars in it. The center of our galaxy is about 26,000 light years away from us. The far edge of our galaxy, the opposite side from where we are sitting right now, is around 50,000 to 75,000 light years away. Think about that. Light, the fastest thing that exists, would take 75,000 years just to cross from one side of our galaxy to the other. And we are not even near the center. We are out in one of the outer arms, in a fairly ordinary, unremarkable location. If you wanted to physically travel from one side of the Milky Way to the other using our current best technology, you were talking about a trip that would take longer than the entire history of human civilization, repeated hundreds of times over.
And remember, this is just one galaxy. There are billions more.
And this is only the first step. The universe holds countless stars, planets, galaxies, and mysteries beyond imagination. We've only opened the first door. From here, every video will take us deeper into the cosmos, one incredible discovery at a time. So our journey is just beginning. If you enjoyed exploring the universe with us, tell me in the comments what you want to discover next. Which star, planet, galaxy, or cosmic mystery should we explore first? Your idea could be the next adventure. Until then, keep looking up. See you in the next video.